ना ये हमारी कार है, ना ये हम है, और ना यहाँ कोई फौरी चल रही है क्योंकि हम आए हैं मेहनत करके, शो खत्म करके, एंड ये हमारी टायर्ड फेस वाली लाइफ है Hi guys, how are you? I just finished a show and I thought I should come live and talk to you guys about the little things that I saw that touched my heart today. How about that? ऐसा एक लाइव करते हैं आज जिसमें मैं शेयर करूं ऐसी कोई चीज़ें जो दिन में आप देखते हैं, रात को आप देखते हैं बाहर की दुनिया में या आपकी ज़िंदगी में, एंड वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिल को छू जाती है. सो लेट मी शेयर दोज थिंग्स दैट आई थॉट वो वंडरफुल टुडे. ओके, एंड अगर ये आपको हेल्प करता है या आपको कहीं किसी चीज़ की सीख देता है या फिर आपको इस चीज़ से आपकी ज़िंदगी में आप नोटिस कर पाएँ चीज़ों को, तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा, राइट? सो आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड अ शो. आई एम इन कानपुर राइट नाउ. And of course, you saw me with full-on makeup right before a few hours ago. But right now, I just took out my makeup so that this could be as real as possible. Everyone's saying Shadi Mubarak. Thank you so much. By the way, beautiful voice. मुझे कोई रात के 1:30 बजे कॉल कर रहा है and मैं ये फौरी वाली एक्सेंट में क्यों बात कर रही हूँ? Somebody's calling me, so irritating. Nai. Okay, so कानपुर में बदनाम लड्डू काफी फेमस है. बदनाम लड्डू, that's interesting. Anyway, guys, तो मैं बात कर रही थी things that actually made me very happy today. I saw a छोटा सा गाय का बच्चा. ओके, छोटा सा, मस्ट बी अ फ्यू मंथ्स, मे बी वन मंथ मैक्स, 1 or 2 months मैक्स. और वो रास्ते पे से भाग रहा था खुद से, ऐसे ही अकेले. एंड आई फेल्ट सो बैड एंड आई प्रेड इन माई हार्ट एंड देन आई सेड, ये कहाँ भाग रहा है? इसको कहाँ से मालूम होगा कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है, राइट? कि वो घर जा रहा है, कि वो अपनी फैमिली को ढूंढ रहा है, या. एंड आई जस्ट प्रेड इन माई हार्ट कि अल्लाह प्लीज, लाइक all animals should, just be nice, and उनको कभी अपनी फैमिली से दूर मत करना या किसी को भी भटकाना मत. This guy, whoever's calling me, is irritating me. That feeling of not knowing where you're going, it's such a bad feeling, right? So I pray that calf finds his home and his mother. And how do I block this number in the middle of a live? Anyway, so yeah, I just felt so bad, and at the same time I felt so happy to see that little calf. But I was like, ये कहाँ भाग रहा है, and in my heart I just felt I wish that he finds his home. So please, when you find things like that, if it touches your heart, share it with somebody so that they can be kind to everybody, and they can be kind to animals. Animals बेचारे रास्ते पे कैसे सोते हैं, कैसे उठते हैं, कहाँ जाते हैं. कल मैं पूना में थी और मैंने एक छोटी सी बिल्ली देखी, वो बस चली जा रही थी अपने रास्ते. शी वाज जस्ट वॉकिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक, ये कहाँ जा रही होगी, ये क्या सोच रही होगी, ये किसे ढूंढ रही होगी. It's so sad. And it's just like, what do I do? What do I do with all these animals? Okay, that was 1. 2, what was the other nice thing that I saw today? शुभांगी, अभी एक कुछ अच्छा चीज देखा था मैंने, जो मैं सोची थी मैं किसके साथ शेयर करूंगी. हाँ, and I saw a baby horse. Oh my God, he was so cute. I was like, वो अकेला क्यों है, वो क्यों खा रहा है? You know what I mean? Anyway, so yeah, just little things in life. If you can help people, if you can help animals somehow, if you can, just be nice to one and all. Spread love, spread joy, be kind. Those things just matter so much. After I finish this live, I'm going to just give a piece of my mind to this person who's giving me crank calls at 1:45 a.m. I swear. Anyway, I love you all. Hey, Aviz! Yeah, Aviz is here. Wait. Where is he? Where is he? Okay, let me see if I can add him. It's G, by the way. If people don't know, I call him G. Hi, JG.
I'm saying you open my eyes, I'll be nice to my pet Anam. I'll go home, be nice to him.
You are always nice. But yeah, I mean, how do I kill crank calls at 1:45 a.m.? Anyway, क्या कर रहे हो? मूवी कैसी थी?
Animal से वही मुझे याद आ रहा था कि we just saw Tom and Jerry. So it
हाँ,
was
how was it?
nice. It was nice always. मतलब Tom and Jerry was our favorite show कब से
But
कार्टून
Avi,
वाला.
who do you think you are? Are you Tom or are you Jerry?
What do you think?
I think you are Jerry.
Maybe.
Yeah, I think
No, you are Jerry.
I. You
And
think
Zed
I'm
is
Jerry?
Tom. Yeah.
Yeah, Zaid is Tom. It's true. Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah,
you बराबर है. Perfect एकदम.
yeah.
The thing
तो
about the calf.
अब क्या करोगे?
अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी तो बहुत ज्यादा ही टायर्ड हूँ. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, एकदम थकान सी हो रही है 2-3 दिन से.
Everyone's asking where's Nagma always.
I don't know where she is.
And where's my husband?
Husband
also
जी is
here.
coming to drop. Where is Zed?
अभी अभी तो गए, हम लोग को ड्रॉप कर दिया.
I think he is going home. अनम के यहाँ पे.
यस.
क्योंकि मेरे को बोल तो रहा था वो कि वो वहाँ पे जाएगा और खाना वाना मोस्टली खाना खाएगा वहाँ जाके.
मॉम के यहाँ.
हाँ, मैं भी सोच रहा था चले जाओ आज, पर देन फिर मेरे को नींद नहीं आई होती. अभी वो बेड चेंज हो जाएगा ना फिर.
नीलू सिंह दोनों सो जाओ.
And
What is
Neetu ji,
your sleep time? Someone's asking, Avis.
my sleep time, you know, it's never.
आवेश कभी नहीं सोता है. उस रात भर काम करता है. He is always working hard at nights. His creative mind starts working at night.
Mostly at night, yeah. But
Yeah.
recently you joined my schedule.
I swear यार, मेरे को तो नींद ही नहीं मिल रही है.
कैसा लग रहा है ज्वाइन करके?
नहीं, एक्चुअली भागम दौड़ी चल रही है ना डैड की वजह से. I'm going to Pune a lot and Zaid's also poor thing dragging along
How is he now?
It's okay. It's okay. It'll be fine, I guess, inshallah. Or so I'm in Kanpur right now, you know that, right?
When are you back?
Tomorrow morning. Yay. Okay, chalo.
Will you get time?
To do what?
Means will you be free around?
Shooting tomorrow.
So फिर मतलब you're still in Kanpur for me.
Yeah, in fact, you know, everyone, I've been wanting to do a routine with Aves for the longest time since I've known him actually, and अभी तक टाइम नहीं मिला हम लोगों
वो तो हम भी चाहते थे कब से करने का. We planned, you know, when in lockdown में.
My friend Rahil is also saying hello from Germany, and Vikas Gupta is also here. He's saying hello. Everyone's like, hi. Wow, so many people, man.
Yeah.
Awesome. तो बताओ, कोई एक अच्छी सी चीज बताओ. I'm trying to tell people how everyone should, you know, think about one nice thing in the day. Yeah, one nice thing in the day. Like, you know, हम रास्ते पे चलते हैं and हम ये देखते हैं और हम वो देखते हैं, लेकिन उससे हम क्या छोटा मोटा सबक सीख सकते हैं. That's what I'm trying to say to people today.
I feel, they can try and do one good thing in a day, like on purpose, just to make someone smile. क्योंकि वो effort अगर सब करना चालू कर देंगे तो then it'll pass on, and I think things will start getting better, because sometimes all you need is someone making you feel better. So वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, like if you're passing by and you're telling someone, hey, nice shoes, or it can be nice bag, or it can be your अभी if you're looking good and all, ये तो बोल लेंगे तो फिर वो बोलेगा लाइन मार रहा है. So like a very subtle way of telling someone कि I don't know, it can be कैसे करना है, but now you've given me this, you've passed on something to me, so now
Yeah.
in my mind it's only that thing is going, so now I'm
You
gonna
know,
plan this.
I also feel a simple thank you. By the way, my sweetheart, my best friend, my Jan Preeti is like messaging saying, I just thought of one nice thing and she's written you. I'm like, oh, that's
Oh,
cute.
देखो यही तो
Preeti,
बोल रहा हूँ मैं. See, this is what I was saying.
yeah. I haven't met her in the longest time, by the way. I don't know where she is, where she's disappeared in Chandigarh and all that. And when is she going to come back? Anyway, she's come back. I know I'm exaggerating. But I have to see her tomorrow, inshallah. And Vikas Gupta is telling me I have to take him out for dinner. It's true. Yes, I have to. I've not had the time at all. Sorry, guys. But also, I was saying, sorry, I cut you out. But I also feel like a simple thank you, right? Like if you tell someone just a thank you, just somebody who's like probably opening the door for you or giving you
Yeah,
way. I think thank you makes such a big difference, right?
yeah, we can start off with our family though, at least.
It's
We can
true.
start off, yeah, because I think we sometimes we avoid our family members,
We take them
thinking
for
that,
granted.
yeah, we take them for granted, so we can start off with the family. I feel
Yeah.
a cute thing for them, where
Yeah,
they
it's
get
true.
surprised, and
Which you do all the time. I know your content is all around that, so that's a great social message, by the way. And Preeti, I have to tell you, I saw the cutest little baby horse and a cow, a calf, and it was what inspired me to do this live right now because I was just like, वो कहाँ जा रहा है वो ढूंढ रहा है he was just running on the road and I was felt like my god my heart just broke. I was like वो baby कहाँ भाग रहा है यार seriously. Anyway, do you know Preeti does Preeti? You met Preeti at the wedding, right?
yeah, yeah.
So Preeti is like the number one animal lover, and she goes mad trying to rescue animals and help them and trying to find them homes. So many times she's tried to push them on me that तू ले ले, तू ले ले, तू ले ले, please. 2 दिन के लिए रख ले, and then the 2 दिन becomes fostering for 2 months. By the way, she always tricks me into it. But
It's
yeah,
happening
so
now at Atarang's also. It's happening. Catrangs.
yeah, I know. Atrangs, by the way, has adopted 3 kittens and 3 cats, and out of that, one is pregnant and she's going to deliver soon. So, whoever wants to adopt, please let us know before.
Yeah. So we keep having a lot of cats now. अभी तो और भी बढ़ गया. अभी नई new members दिख रहे आने में.
Aviz, I think she's going to deliver in your room, by the way.
I think so. She likes it out here. She
Yeah,
keeps coming here. Yeah.
yeah. Anyway,
अच्छा, I'll see for the first time.
yeah, you will. I have to deliver the cats in
Really?
all my life because as in I've helped in my cats deliver, right? तो वो तो मेरे गोद में मेरी बहन के गोद में डिलीवरी करते थे बचपन
अच्छा.
से.
हमारी
Yeah.
cat तो एकदम कोने में जाके, they told me कि they prefer it in that way that they go in the corner and they
No,
deliver.
but if they are
No one to be
home, like
disturbed.
if they are at home, if they are homebound kittens or cats, they will always look for
Maybe.
people to deliver.
Maybe. That's
Anyway, Jao. Thanks for joining my live. Love you. I'll see you soon. If you talk to my husband, tell him
I'll
that
just
I.
call him. I'll tell him. I'll tell him.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye to Aviz.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, darling. My sweetheart JG and Preeti, yes, you can come to Atrang's and see the delivery and find them homes, please. I'm sure she's going to deliver 3 or 4 kittens because she's fat. Also, I think it's best अगर आप अपने vicinity के जो जितने भी cats अगर आपको दिखते हैं, stray या dogs आपको दिखते हैं, आप उनको न्यूटर करा सकते हैं, हेल्प कर सकते हैं किसी वॉलंटियर्स के साथ मिलके, थोड़ा बहुत डोनेट करके 2 से 3 हज़ार रुपए में आई थिंक एक कैट न्यूटर हो जाती है, तो ताकि वो उनका स्प्रेड बच जाए, यू नो, सो दैट हाय जानू, माय बेबी इज हियर, oh you want to come on my live for 5 minutes? Where are you? Okay. This is going to be a family live, by the way. Also, I'm doing this because I'm waiting for my food. I haven't eaten at all. John, why are you in this darkness? Your light is
I'm
here.
parking my car.
Okay, but you have to park your car. Don't be dangerous.
Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just
Big
one
Boss,
second.
बिग बॉस में आपका फेवरेट कौन है? इनफैक्ट मैंने बिग बॉस ये सीजन बहुत ही ज्यादा कम देखा है, बट आई थिंक मेरा प्रेडिक्शन है कि बिटवीन राहुल और रुबीना कोई एक जीतेगा. दैट्स माय फीलिंग.
Yeah.
हाय
Welcome back. Welcome back.
What are you doing?
What you doing?
Okay, we could be talking about this on a video call.
Okay. Fine,
But I'm trying to do this live to talk about the little things that matter, and जो दिन में हम notice करते हैं, does it stay with us or do we pass it on to somebody? Something nice that you've seen. So, what was the one nice thing that you saw today?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
At 4:45, I saw a video call. That was you.
Jano, this is not a romantic live. It is a live
Oh,
about
sorry.
giving lessons.
Sorry.
Oh, by the
You
way,
can ask me the question again.
Preeti says, I think Rakhi Sawant will win, by the way.
Whatever Big Boss says.
Okay, she's very entertaining though. I like Rakhi. She's damn entertaining. Okay, Janu, say.
All are good, yeah. All are good.
No, what was the one thing that something nice that stayed with you, like something sweet that someone said, someone did, what you saw?
I don't think so. It was yeah, I liked one thing today.
What?
I was going for namaz today. It was Friday.
Jumata.
So I usually do read namaz every day, but today was Friday, so I was going to the mosque and I forgot my topi. My, what do you call it?
Namaz ka cap.
Namaz ka cap, a topi. So I parked the car. I was entering inside, and someone just said that, you know, I have an extra one. You can wear it.
Oh, so sweet.
So yeah, that was really sweet, and he said you keep it with you. So I was confused because is he saying is it because of COVID, or maybe he said okay, you keep it
but but it's nice of you that you even think of it as kindness, right? Even if it was because of COVID, but it's such
but if it was COVID, I told him I'll wash it and give it to you. He's like, no, it was meant for you, so you keep it.
That's so nice, Jan. That's so nice. What a lovely thought. Someone saying Preeti is the nicest. Neelu's also here. Everyone's saying hello. Atrangs is here.
Hi everybody. Hi Suraj. Hi Preeti.
Preeti saying Janu meri jaan 2 baje karo live hone ka kaam.
Arey हाँ, it's 2 yaar.
Yeah, it's 2 a.m. I don't know what she's doing awake. I don't know what Neelu's doing awake. I don't know what everyone's doing awake. But anyway, I just thought it's important that in a day, if something nice comes to your mind, something that you've experienced, just
hey, you can keep talking. I can take care of your people and my people too. here.
Just share it with people. Make sure you spread love. Make sure that you're not being an ass like Preeti and teasing us. But anyway, I love you all. We're gonna go now. It's too late. I hope you
Where are
get
we
to
going?
No, maybe I'm coming to Bombay because I have a flight, right? Remember?
Yeah. Sorry, my Jinga is also here. Sharif is here.
Hi Sharif, how are you?
Faizan is also here. He said called you on bottom. Just call me on a normal number, यार. Zaidu मेरी जान ये कौन बोला है मुझे?
Preeti.
Oh, hi, Preeti. Preeti, you please keep quiet. You just keep talking. Have you ever met
Reach
me
out.
outside?
Yeah.
We took Atrang's members out for a movie and they said thank you, felt cute.
Aviz is saying that.
Oh, thank you so much.
Aviz was with me on a very long live, by the way.
I was there, y'all were ignoring me, and I said, hi, look at me, add me, so we three could go live, but nobody looked at me. I was alone, all alone.
Sorry, Janu, it was JG time.
But I was all alone.
You're never alone. Astaghfirullah. You just anyway, okay.
That looks
I
so
have to
good,
tell you
Swan.
something. I have to tell
Thank
you
you.
something very cute. You know Shifa, right? My niece. You know Shifa, Kospa's daughter. When she was a little baby, like 2, 4, 5-year-old, and she was very naughty, and I would say, Shifa, do you want a pup? And she would say, really, Kolkara? Are you going to give me a puppy? A puppy? A pup?
Yeah,
And that's how she was the most adorable kid.
yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we love
Today,
you guys.
even this one, Saad was looking very cute making that chicken today. That
Yeah,
was
I know.
also the cutest thing I saw today.
Jao, then we'll talk on the Khandan chat, okay?
Oh yeah, sorry. I keep forgetting I'm not on a video call. I
No, you're
always
not.
talk to her on a video call, so I keep forgetting that she's on a video call right now. But yes, she is on a video call with me and you all together. I said
Preeti is
right. I
like,
said it right.
Preeti is telling you even I am alone, Zaidu Meri Jaan. She's all nonsense. She's all
Preeti,
only
please,
talking all this, all,
I think
yeah.
you should have started acting long back in movies. You
Yeah.
would have won Filmfares and IFAs and all those Oscars maybe.
Really?
But really, because have you ever called me and said, "Hey Zed, how are you"?
She doesn't
No.
even have your number. She's not even
You don't
asked me
even
for your
know.
number.
She had for the first time when I met her, she said, "I want your
बेटा
number."
उसको
So
कॉल करना भूख लगी है अजुर नाम है
who to believe in this world? Who to believe in this world?
Anyway,
I
okay.
just love my people. They're amazing.
They're saying
I
our
always
both
believe
boys.
them.
Someone
God,
likes
ma'am,
our
I am super obsessed with her pout and it's super cute. Janu, because she's the cutest, that's why.
Someone saying Preeti se more soja pagli. Okay, we love you guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. I will talk to you on my life soon. And Akku, there's no dhoka, okay? What is this
Janu, you
dhoka?
always do this. When you get off my live, you start a live.
I'm not going to go live right now, but I'm going to go for it soon. Give me your number, Zedu. I'm writing my number right away, okay? Over here.
Not
It's
here.
9, 6, something,
Janu.
something, 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 something. 9, 6, and
Janu.
I'm putting my
Bye, guys.
number.
Bye. I'm
No,
deleting my husband from this live. Bye.
Oh, shit.
Bye, baby.
Bye, guys. Bye. Happy birthday, Fatima.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Bye. I love you guys. Good night. Chapaket.
I'm removing you. Bye.
Oh, you're removing me? My God. I thought you were keeping the live. Oh, my God.
Yeah, this is for you know what you did 20 minutes ago when you called me.
When did I do that?
Now this is for the minus 20,000 points. I'm removing you from my life.
Why?
You know what you did? You were grumpy.
I was just grumpy because I'm hungry.
I'm also hungry. Okay, bye
Okay,
now.
guys. Okay, they all are saying bye. Okay,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
I'm gonna leave the live and you can carry on with Miss Gaur Khan. I miss you too, Preeti.
I'm
See you
not
soon.
not Miss Gaur Khan anymore. I miss this Gaur
Oh,
Khan.
you're Mr. Gaur Khan, right? I'm so sorry, but she came live, so I forgot everything. But yeah, we want to go out क्योंकि अभी बहुत बोल रहा हूँ मैं. चलो bye.
Okay, bye, baby.
Bye, Baba.
Okay, I'm still here, guys. So, on the leaving thought, I want to tell you हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, किसी का एनिवर्सरी था, कहाँ गया भाई? हिमानी गर्ग, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. Don't remove him, he's peace to my eyes. Preeti, what are you on? What are you on? And why are you awake? Go to sleep and meet me tomorrow. Okay, guys, also please do pray for my dad. He's unwell and he's just recovering. Inshallah, he'll get a discharge tomorrow from the hospital. Thank you for everyone who sent their prayers. I love you all. And Prachi Khare, thank you so much. And love to everyone who sends me love all day long. My fan clubs, everybody who works so hard for me. I love you all. Appreciate you so much. Salam ka jawab dete hain. Walaikum assalam. And good night, guys. My food is here. Bye. Love you.